Today, you're going to learn how to predict the future. Am I going to teach you divination? Am I going to teach you how to read stuff in a cup of tea or to read the future? No. But you're going to learn the next best thing, which is forecasting. All right? So, if you're new here, we are having a whole video series on sourcing where I am going to teach you a lot of advanced strategies to become better at sourcing. So this is the first one in this series, and it's going to be on how to analyze sales cycle. So before we start, we have a Discord server as well for this channel. I'm always hanging out over there in the lounge, in the voice chat, answering all the questions you may have. So join it. The link is in the description, and it's the best place to reach out to me. So let's start. So why do you want in the first place to be able to analyze sales cycle? It's because you want to be able to pretty much figure out trends, and it's going to translate into the video that we are going to have tomorrow. Tomorrow on basically reducing your costs, and by forecasting you'll be able to do stuff to be able to actually reduce your cost even more, right? So here's how you can do this, or you should look into reducing your cost. So the first thing is you're gonna need to basically keep notes, right, on every single promotion, every single whatever promotion they have on the website, right, on the website that you want to analyze, because this will be on a website-to-website basis, right? So keep a spreadsheet. Here's an example of spreadsheet that you can keep. So there's just two tabs, right? So the log, where you will log every single promotion, and then another tab which will be the type of promotion. So you can, like, whenever, and this is why it's important, because you'll pretty much see that the same promotions are going to come over and over, and if you like the same promotions in sale, and if you are able to find a great lead in one of those promotions, you, like, the next time this promotion is going to come, you're going to be able to get the same lead, right? So just write down the promotions every time. This is a log, so every time a promotion comes, just write the date, and take some notes where you're able to find any products and stuff, like what's going on with it. And on the next tab, you're going to just keep track of how many times this promotion, like how often this promotion comes. So this will be the name of the promotion, the last time the promotion came, the cycle estimate. So for you to pretty much give an estimation of how often this sale comes. So for example, every 2 weeks, every 4 weeks, every 6 weeks, right? And the last time the sale actually came. And if the price tanks whenever a sale comes from this website, like whenever the specific sales come and stuff, right? Because this is super important. Because it's good to have a sale and to purchase from a sale, but if this sale leads to product tanking, this is probably a sale that you should not purchase from this sale, right? So you will need to track emails, text message from the company. This is why you should sign up to their email list, to their text message list, so you can get every single one of their emails, every single one of their promotion, all the stuff that they send, right? And if you just found out a website, the thing that you should do is go to Salesgazer and run a search. So for example, we're going to use Target for this example, and just run a search and see what sales are going on. So we had the St. Patrick's sales. So you would enter that sales St. Patrick 30%. So this will come only once a year, but write it down, because this will help you next year, you know. Same thing, so 20% on women's swimsuit, and take notes of every single one of them that you are able to see in the past. If you just found out about this website, if the website is on Salesgazer, it's a great way to actually go back to the past and see what was going on, right? So the best way to do it is to actually, if you've been signed up to this website for a long time, to their email, to their text message, go there, go back as far as you can, and you are going to be able to see patterns. The next thing you could do is go to couponcabin.com to basically, because Coupon Cabin will give you a lot of information on every single website that you can source it, that you source at, right? So I cannot show it to you on my computer because they banned my IP for whatever reason. So whenever I check it, I need to go on my phone. But just when you're on Coupon Cabin, scroll down, because first you will see some coupons. A lot of them are not working, so you can try them, but like it's not the most important. Just scroll down and they will tell you whenever there's a lot of information on sales, when the best sales come and stuff. So add that to your spreadsheet. So you can keep track of them. And yeah, try to see. So whenever you have your spreadsheet, it's pretty easy because you can use like a count if function on Google Sheet to actually count the number of time a promotion. So this is why it's important to always write them the same way. So you can count, this will count automatically for you whenever the same promotion comes and stuff. And then just look at what does it look like. For example, if there's a BOGO on certain stuff, on toys, for example, there's often BOGOs on toys on Target. So what you can do is see, okay, this promotion has come in the last, like ever since I tracked this thing, it has come like 10 times. How often does it look like this promotion is coming available on target.com, right? So you would check that, you would add that, and that way you can pretty much forecast it. And this will tie into the next thing that we are going to talk about tomorrow, which is how to reduce your cost. Best way to find gift card, potentially buying gift card in advance. I'm gonna give you some tips on that. So yeah, that's today's video, and that will be tomorrow's video. I hope you liked it. Join the Discord, subscribe to not miss the next video that we'll release tomorrow, and I'll see you tomorrow for the next video on reducing your cost. If you are watching this video a long time after it actually released, so just check this video, it will be on the screen. Probably there will be a whole playlist on this subject, on this advanced class on sourcing. And yeah, new video every single day at 3 p.m. So subscribe so you do not miss any of those. And yeah, I'll see you tomorrow.